Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to delete your browsing history in Microsoft Edge web browser. I show you guys how to do that. First open up Microsoft Edge and now click on this three dot icon and select settings. On left side select privacy, search and services, and on right side you just need to scroll down. Clear browsing data, select the choose what to clear, and now select the time range you want it. I'm gonna select all time, and you can also select certain categories of browsing data you want to remove, such as browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, crashed images and files, and saved passwords. You just want to check mark it if you want to clear it, and autofills from data and site permissions. If you want to check mark all of these and select by your preferences and select clear now. And now your browsing history has been cleared in Microsoft Edge. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.